Hello, welcome to my channel Broke but Balanced. Today let's make chilla with a twist. So as shown in the video, in the following ratio, add besan first followed by grinded semolina, then go on to add some spice as much as you like, that is chili powder, some turmeric and ajwain, which is good for digestion. Then followed by that, you can add some kala namak if you would like, and some chaat masala, a pinch of coriander powder for some flavor. So once you're happy with the spices you've added, now go on to add water as to adjust the consistency of the batter. Remember that not to make it too thin or not to make it too thick. So just keep on adding, and then as I have shown, make the batter of a slightly thicker consistency but not as thick. So make it as thin so that you can spread it easily like a dosa batter. And the reason why we add semolina is to make it a little crispy. So now that you've beautifully spread your chilla batter on the tava, you can nicely cook it until a little crisp, and then serve it with your choice of chutney or anything. Even Shezwan chutney tastes amazing with the chilla. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more.